Securing your pallet rack, we can do this with double swing wire doors. This is mounts just directly to these structural upright columns. You can open those doors wide open, load and unload the rack as needed, and keep your valuables protected. You can see we mount them on the face of the upright with brackets and pintles. And then you can open them all the way and load and unload that rack as needed. These double doors are 12 foot high by 4.5 foot wide each, so it fits a 9 foot wide pallet rack bay. And then you have the hasp here, so you can put your padlocks. It's got two since it's such a taller door, and keep everything secure.